Good morning, everyone. Hope it's a beautiful day to learn. Chandini Views welcomes you all for the online class. And let's start our session with word of the day. And what is today's word of the day? So today's word of the day is grin. Today's word of the day is grin. And what is the definition for grin? A broad smile. So, what is the definition? A broad smile. So, whenever you see a person smiling with all his or her teeth visible, is giving a very charming smile, instead of telling your smile is beautiful or her smile is beautiful, you can say her grin is beautiful. Right? Instead of using the big terms such as a broad smile, a beautiful smile, you can tell grin. So with this, we can start our today's session. This is for class 1. Subject is English. Chapter number 4. Topic is Riddle. Hi children. How are you all? Hope you're all fine with a good health. My name is Fruity. Do you know where I live? I live in Chennai. The exact location is near Chandini View School. My work is to keep my owner's home safe from danger. Today, I have come here to tell about myself. Are you ready, children? Let me tell you a poem. Name of the poem is The Riddle. Let's see about the poem. The Riddle. He doesn't speak, nor does he sing, nor at the doorbell give a ring. But still he lets his master know who wants to see him, friends or foe. Let's repeat. He doesn't speak, nor does he sing, nor at the doorbell give a ring. But still he lets his master know who wants to see him, friends or foe. Now let's see each line by line explanation. The riddle. He doesn't speak, nor does he sing. So, what are we getting out of this line? So, we are getting to know that the dog here cannot speak, he cannot sing. Right? And what is the spelling for speak? Speak. Speak. Sing. 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 He doesn't speak, nor does he sing. So, the person we are talking here about, he cannot speak or he cannot sing. Nor at the doorbell give a ring. Nor at the doorbell give a ring. He is not going to come to our doorstep and he is not going to give a ring also. What is the spelling for doorbell? Doorbell. 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 Ring. 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 So the person we are talking about here is not going to come to your doorbell and he is not going to give a ring. Right. But still he lets his master know. But still he lets his master know. What is the spelling for master? Master. 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 But he cannot speak, he cannot sing, he cannot come to your door, and he is not going to give you a ring as well. But but still he is letting his master know. He still is letting his owner know. Know about what? Let's see that. Who wants to see him, friends or foe? Who wants to see him, friends or foe? What is the spelling for friends? Friends. Friend. Friends. Friends. What is a foe? A foe is an enemy. What is the meaning for foe? For foe, the meaning is an enemy. Right. See, he's not going to speak. He cannot sing as well. He cannot come to your door. He cannot ring you the bell. But still, what is he doing is letting his owner or is letting his master know that the person who has come to visit is a friend or a foe. I hope you all have a pet dog at your home. And what does your dog do normally? So, whenever the familiar person comes to your house, the dog keeps quiet. But whenever the strangers come to visit you without speaking, without singing, without coming to the door and ringing the bell, he barks. And what do you understand when he barks? Whenever he barks, you understand that the person who has come here is not the familiar person, right? He's not your friend, right? So that is how the riddle works. And in the riddle, we are talking about the dog, a pet dog. Right. He cannot sing, he cannot speak, he cannot come to your doorbell, and he cannot ring, but still he lets you know the person who has come, whether he's a friend or an enemy. Right. Let's see the full poem again. Read along with me. He doesn't speak, nor does he sing, nor at the doorbell give a ring, but still he lets his master know who wants to see him, friends or foe. I hope this poem is clear. Do you have any doubt? Hope you have understood about the poem. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. See you in our next class. Thank you.